Commercial fire alarms. Commercial fire alarms come under BS 5839 Part 1. These systems must be designed to meet a specific category. There are life protection categories, L grades, being L5, L4, L3, L2, L1 and M, or manual. Then there are property protection categories, P grades, being P1, P1M, P2 and P2M. Commercial fire alarms require certification for each module, that is design, installation, commissioning and handover. The commissioning engineer must not be the same engineer that installed the system. For a free quotation or just further info, call us now or fill in our online form.